Case the court will call is Francis Cruz Mendoza-Keel, CR 2025-00513. This is the time set for arraignment.
Kevin Kent on behalf of the state.
Daniel Hartmanstrong for Mr. Keel, who is present in custody.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Keel, if you'll please state your full name for the record.
Yes, it's capital F, Francis, capital C, Cruz, capital M, Mendoza, dash, capital K, Keel. The rest is lowercase.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Mendoza-Keel, you're here. Oh, I'm sorry, let me back up. What's your date of birth?
Sounds like your last name's hyphenated, though. Correct. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I was just asking him his date of birth.
Oh, September 8th of 96.
And do you have a good address and phone number for Mr. Mendoza-Keel, Mr. Hartmanstrong?
I believe we do, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Mendoza-Keel, you're here because you have charges pending against you here in the Coconino County Superior Court. You do have a right to remain silent about the charges, and you should remain silent about the charges because anything you say about the charges could be used against you in court. You are presumed to be innocent of all charges. You cannot be convicted of the charges unless you're convicted by a jury or you plead guilty to the charges. You have a right to have a criminal defense attorney to represent you in all phases of this case. Previously, you were deemed indigent and appointed to the public defender's office. The court will affirm both of those prior determinations. Mr. Hartmanstrong, do you have a copy of the charging document?
I do, Your Honor.
And would you waive a formal reading and like to enter pleas of not guilty?
Yes, Your Honor. His name, however, is spelled apparently Mendoza-Keel. So I just asked to amend that.
All right, thank you. The court did note the same change.
But otherwise, Your Honor, yes, we'd waive a formal reading of his charges and of his rights. We'd ask that a not guilty plea be entered as to each count. We would ask that a case management conference be set to give, I'm new counsel on this case, to give me time to get up to speed on the case. We did receive a plea offer from the state today, so I'll review that with the client. We'd also ask that a public safety assessment be ordered, Your Honor.
Thank you. And the court will enter pleas of not guilty to all four counts. The court will set the matter for a case management conference on June 23rd at 1:00 p.m. The court will order that a public safety assessment be prepared in the case prior to that next setting, and the pretrial services division be notified of that. Were there any other requests regarding release conditions from either party?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Mendoza-Keel, please understand that a conviction for a crime may have collateral consequences to you, including but not limited to immigration consequences. A conviction for a felony offense would result in certain civil rights being suspended. It is your responsibility to keep in touch with your attorney so that you know whenever any hearings have been set in your case. It is your responsibility to keep your lawyer advised of how you can be reached at all times, including any changes to your phone number or address. It's your responsibility to be present at all hearings in your case. If you fail to appear at any hearing, a warrant would likely be issued for your arrest. You could be tried and you could be found guilty by a jury at a jury trial in your absence. Anything further at this time?
Nothing from us, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. That'll be all. Thank you.